Welcome back, students. Welcome back. Okay, so today's lesson is we're still learning about light and sound. Today's lesson is light and sound, lesson 5. We will continue to be using the unique learning system. So let's recap last lesson, lesson 4. It was your job to remember. So I remembered how light and sound move. Your learning goal last lesson was to remember how light and sound move. We read chapter 1, the spring play, and you followed along with this communication board, the spring play. So we're going to continue with our lesson. All right, so today's learning goal is I will answer questions about the story. Here's our document right here that we will be completing. Here is our yes. Here is our no. Here is our text. So in order to complete the document, we are going to be referring back to the text. And then here's our answer key down here. Okay, so question number 1, right here. Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring. Let's read the page and see if we can find our answer. Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Kara, Gavin, and Dale are excited. Kara wants to act. Gavin and Dale want to work backstage. Let's go back up here to our question. Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring. We'll come down here to our first vocabulary word, energy. Energy. Is Mrs. Thomas's class doing a spring energy? No, not a spring energy. Let's go to question number 2. Not question number 2. Let's go to so Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Is Mrs. Thomas's class doing a spring play? Yes, let's refer to the text. Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Click on play. It spins. We're going to place that peck right here. So the complete sentence states, Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. All right, so now we have question number 2. Students can help with lights and, let's read the page. See if we can find our answer. Mrs. Thomas says the play will be fun. The play will be hard work. Students can be actors. Students can help with lights and sound. Okay, so here we are. Students can help with lights and energy. No, not energy. Students can help with lights and light. No, not light. Students can help with lights and sound. Yes. We're going to refer back to the text. It says right here, students can help with lights and sound. Let's click on sound. Excellent. Sound is going to go right here to complete our sentence. So now we have students can help with lights and sound. All right, now we're going to go to question number 3. Light and sound both move in, let's read our text. Light and sound are energy. Light and sound both move in waves. Sound waves and light waves move energy. Our question, light and sound both move in energy? No, not energy. Light and sound both move in light? No, not light. Light and sound both move in waves? Yes. Let's read it in our text. Light and sound both move in waves. Click on waves, and that pic will go right here. So now we have light and sound both move in waves. All right, so now we're on question number 4. Sound waves and light waves move. Let's read our text. Refer back to our text. Light and sound are energy. Light and sound both move in waves. Sound waves and light waves move energy. Let's read our sentence once more. Sound waves and light waves move energy? Yes. Well, let's read it in the text. Sound waves and light waves move energy. We're going to click on energy. And energy will go right here to complete our sentence. Sound waves and light waves move energy. Okay, now we're at question number 5. What and sound are the same in some ways? Let's read our text. Light and sound are the same in some ways, but they are different in other ways. The students will learn more about light and sound. This will help them with their play. The students can't wait to get started. All right, so let's read our number 5. What and sound are the same in some ways? We'll come over here to our answer bank. Is light and sound are the same in some ways? Yes. We're going to click on light. It spins. It's going to go right here to complete our sentence. Light and sound are the same in some ways. So this will be our review time. I want you to say it with me. I answered questions about the story, and actually you put them in sentences. You completed the sentences. Okay, so number 1, Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Yes. Number 2, students can help with lights and sound. Yes. 3, light and sound both move in waves. Yes. 4, Sound waves and light waves move energy. Yes. And light and sound are the same in some ways. Yes. Excellent work. So you answered questions about the story. You completed the sentences to make them correct. Congratulations. I am very excited for you. Until next time, hope you have an awesome evening and rest of your day. And I will talk to you soon, or hopefully see you soon. All right, take care. Bye.